Good morning children, welcome back to maths class. We will continue with the same exercise. 5th main, 4th question. Prove that 1 plus ck divided by ck is equal to sin square a by 1 minus cos a. Here they have given the hint, simplify LHS and RHS separately. That is, if we start from LHS, we won't get RHS, or if we start from RHS, we will not get LHS. So we will start from LHS. How much ever we can simplify, we will simplify and we will stop. Then we will start from the RHS. So here LHS equals 1 plus CK by CK. So whenever sec, cosec, tan, cot, all these comes, we have to convert in terms of tan and cos. So sin and cos. So here we will write sec as 1 by cos. Sec is the reciprocal of cos theta. So ck is 1 by cos a. Again the denominator ck is 1 by cos a. 1 plus ck is 1 by cos a whole divided by again ck is 1 by cos a. Now numerator 1 plus 1 by cos a we will add by adding by taking LCM. So cos a is the LCM. Cos a into 1 cos a plus here denominator and LCM are same. So 1 as it is we will write divided by 1 by cos a as it is. Now we have numerator fraction, denominator fraction. When we divide two fractions, we will take the reciprocal of the divisor and multiply. So cos a plus 1 as it is by cos a. Reciprocal of 1 by cos a is cos a by 1. Now cos a cancel. We will get cos a plus 1 or 1 plus cos a. So we will get LHS as 1 plus cos a. Now we will stop. Now we will see the RHS. So RHS it is given that sin square a by 1 minus cos a. We have to simplify this and we have to get the same 1 plus cos a. Now sin square a how can we change? The first identity we learned is sin square a plus cos square a is 1. So from this sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a. So instead of this sin square a we will write 1 minus cos square a by 1 minus cos a we will write as it is. Now 1 minus cos square a, wherever it comes, it is actually 1 square minus cos square. It is in the form a square minus b square. A square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So a is 1 plus b is cos a. Again a minus b, 1 minus cos a divided by 1 minus cos a. So numerator and denominator 1 minus cos a will cancel. We will get 1 plus cos a. So we got LHS also 1 plus cos a and RHS 1. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS and we proved that 1 plus CK by CK is sin square a by 1 minus cos a. 6th question. Root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is equal to CK plus tan a. So we will start from LHS. Root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. 1 minus sin a. This is the LHS we have. So here what we have to do is, we will multiply the numerator and denominator with the conjugate or the rationalizing factor of the denominator. That is, we are rationalizing the denominator. As the terms, both the terms are under root, we will write under root the rationalizing factor into. So here already root is there. So the rationalizing factor of 1 minus sin a is 1 plus sin a. So we will multiply up and down with 1 plus sin a, the conjugate or the rationalizing factor of the denominator. Now is equal to root of 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a is 1 plus sin a the whole square divided by, this is a minus b into a plus b. A plus b into a minus b, I will directly write a square minus b square. So now I will write root of 1 plus sin a the whole square. Now I will write as it is the numerator. Denominator we know that 1 minus sin square a is cos square a from the first identity. Sin square A plus cos square A is 1. Therefore, cos square A is 1 minus sin square A. So, instead of 1 minus sin square A, we can write cos square A. Now, we will write the root separate. That is, root of 1 plus sin A the whole square divided by root of cos square. Numerator and denominator separately we put the roots in there. Now, you see 1 plus sin A the whole square under root. What is square root of 5 square? We know that square root of 5 square is square root of 25 and that is 5. So, whenever we will write root of any number square, the square and root will cancel, we will get the number. Same way, root of 1 plus sin A the whole square, that is root and square will cancel, we will get 1 plus sin A divided by square root of cos square A is cos A. Cos A. So, now we will separate the numerator. We want to get ck plus tan A. So, we will write is equal to 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A. Now, what is 1 by cos A? Reciprocal of cos A, it is ck. And sin A by cos A is tan A. And we got the RHS. We started from LHS and we got the RHS. 7th question. Sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is tan theta. So, we have to prove that this is equal to tan theta. So, we will start with LHS. LHS equals sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. This is the LHS. Now, in the numerator, we can take sin theta common and in the denominator, we can take cos theta common. So, first we will write sin theta. When we take sin theta from the first term, 1 will remain minus 2 sin cube theta, 1 sin cube theta we have taken outside. The remaining will be 2 sin square theta divided by, here 2 cos cube theta and cos theta, we will take 1 cos theta outside. Here 2 cos square theta minus 1 we will get. So, here sin theta by cos theta itself we will get tan theta, but this we have to cancel. This is 1 minus 2 sin square and here 2 cos square minus 1. Now, here we will write sin theta by cos theta together. 1 we can write directly tan theta. Now, into 1 minus 2 sin square theta. From here we can do in different method. So, one method I will tell you, 1. How can we change 1? We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So, instead of this 1, I will write in bracket sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta. The last number term as it is. Divided by 2 cos square theta as it is. This is in bracket minus 1. What is 1? Sin square theta plus cos square theta as it is a binomial. Write it in bracket. Cos square theta. Now, we will write tan theta as it is into sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta. It is minus sin square. So, first I will write cos square theta. Cos square theta minus 1 sin square minus 2 sin square is minus 1 sin square theta divided by, here 2 cos square theta minus sin square theta minus into plus again minus cos square theta. So, once again last step, tan theta into numerator as it is we will write cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by 2 cos square minus cos square is cos square theta minus sin square theta. So, the numerator and denominator now we can save and cancel and we will get the answer tan theta. So, here what we did is, first we will take numerator and denominator. Numerator sin theta and denominator cos theta we had taken. Remaining term we had written in the bracket. And 1, instead of 1 we had written sin square theta plus cos square theta and simplified. So, instead of doing this 1 minus 2 sin square theta, if you write minus sin square theta minus sin square theta, and here 2 cos square as cos square plus cos square theta, if you write and simplify also we will get the answer. 8th question, sin theta plus cosec theta the whole square plus cos theta plus sec theta the whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. So here sin theta plus cos theta the whole square plus cos theta plus sec theta the whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta we have to get. So we'll start from LHS. Sin theta plus cosec theta the whole square plus cos theta plus sec theta the whole square. Now here both the place will apply a plus b the whole square. So a square plus 2ab, 2 into sin theta into cosec theta plus b square cosec square theta plus a plus b the whole square. That is first term is cos square theta plus 2 cos theta sec theta plus sec square theta. So 2 times we applied a plus b the whole square. Now we see sin square theta plus cos square theta. We can write 1. So if you want you can arrange together and write, or directly we'll write 1 plus. Now here 2 sin theta into cosec theta will be written as 1 by sin theta. Either sin theta you change it as 1 by cosec, or cosec you write it as 1 by sin, plus cosec square. We don't want cosec square in the RHS. We want tan square and cot square. And we know that 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, second identity. And 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. So these two identities we will apply here. Instead of cosec square, we will write 1 plus cot square theta plus cos square already changed. Now 2 cos theta as it is. Sec theta will write it as 1 by cos theta, and the last sec square we will write it as 1 plus tan square theta. So all the terms we changed. Sin square plus cos square written as 1. 2 sin theta into cosec we had written as 1 by sin theta. Again cosec square we had written as 1 plus cot square. 2 cos into 1 by cos. Again sec square as 1 plus tan square. Now this sin theta will cancel. Cos theta will cancel. Here 1, 2 into 1, 2. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So 7 plus here cot square and here tan square. So tan square theta plus cot square theta. Ninth question. Cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. So in this case here also if LHS if we simplify we won't get RHS, or RHS if we start LHS we will not get. So separately we will simplify and we will get an answer. But in exams they will not give you this hint. You have to try by yourself. So we will start from LHS. LHS is equal to cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A is equal to, cosec A can be written as 1 by sin A. Sin A as it is we will write. We will be changing all cosec, sec, tan, cot, all these in terms of sin and cos. Sec can be written as 1 by cos A minus cos A. Now in the first bracket we'll take LCM. Sin A is the LCM. So as the denominator and LCM are same, we'll write 1 as it is. Sin A into A, sin square A. Next bracket, similarly, cos A is the LCM. 1 minus cos square A we will get. So now 1 minus sin square A is cos square A because of the first identity. By sin A as it is we will write into 1 minus cos square A is sin square A from the first identity. By cos A we will write. Now 1 sin A will cancel and 1 cos A we will cancel. We will get cos A into sin A or sin A cos A I write. So this is the LHS we are getting. Now we will try the RHS. So RHS equals, this is given that 1 by tan A plus cot A, that we will write. Tan A and cot A we will write in terms of sin A and cos A, that is 1 by tan A is sin A by cos A. plus cos A is cot A is cos A by sin A. Tan and cot are reciprocals. So tan A is sin A by cos A and cot A is cos A by sin A. Now here this is the denominator. We have to take LCM in the denominator. 1 by. LCM is sin A into cos A. So here I will write sin A cos A. So here cos A into sin A is sin A cos A. That is the extra term in the LCM is sin A. So sin A into sin A sin square A. Or we can do cross multiplication here. Second type, denominator is sin A. The extra term is cos A into cos A, cos square A. So this is the denominator. Now we know that 1 by sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So 1 by sin A cos A. So 1 by sin A cos A. Again this is the denominator. Dividing by a fraction means take the reciprocal. Sin A cos A will go to the top. Sin A cos A into 1 is sin A cos A. So we got LHS and RHS sin A cos A. LHS is equal to RHS. So we prove that cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A is 1 by tan A plus cos A. 10th question. 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A equals 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A the whole square is equal to tan square A. That is, we have to prove that its first term is equal to tan square A and even the second term is equal to tan square A. So here we will start from the first term LHS. 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A. We know that 1 plus tan square A is sec square A, second identity, and 1 plus cot square A is cosec square A, third identity. Now sec square A can be written as 1 by cos square A and cosec square A can be written as 1 by sin square A. So this is the numerator and this is the denominator. We will take the reciprocal. 1 by cos square A into sin square A by 1. That is 1 into sin square A is sin square A divided by cos square A into 1 is cos square A, sin square A by cos square A is tan square A because sin A by cos A is tan A. Sin A by cos A is tan A, sin square A by cos square A is tan square A. So from first term we reach the last RHS. Now we will see the second part. That is 1 minus tan A the whole by 1 minus cot A the whole square is equal to tan square A we have to prove. So now first we have to separate the squares. That is 1 minus tan A the whole square divided by 1 minus cot A the whole square we will write. Separated the numerator and denominator and put square. Now A minus B the whole square. A square 1 minus 2 into A into B. So 2 into 1 into tan A 2 tan A minus B square tan square A plus B square tan square A divided by 1 minus 2 into cot A minus B the whole square plus cot square A. Now after writing here, from here we can do in different methods. One method is we can write tan A as sin A by cos A, tan square A as sin A by cos A the whole square and simplify. We will see that. So first we will write 1 as it is minus 2 sin A by cos A plus tan square we can write it as sin square A by cos square A divided by 1 minus 2. This we will write cos A by sin A plus cos square A by sin square A we can write. So numerator and denominator we converted tan and cot in terms of sin and cos. So now we will take the LCM in the denominator. So denominator becomes numerator cos A and cos square A. The LCM is cos square A. The bigger term will be the LCM. So here as I had written cos square A as LCM, here no denominator, cos square A into 1 cos square A minus, here only one cos A is there. So 1 cos we have to multiply with 2 sin A. So 2 sin A cos A plus cos square A, denominator and LCM are same. So we will write sin square A as it is. Divided by, same way we will take the LCM in the denominator. Sin and sin square A is the LCM. Sin square A into 1 sin square A. So as 1 sin A is there, so we will multiply 1 sin A with 2 cos A. So 2 cos A sin A, I'll write it as 2 sin A cos A. And the last term is cos square. So in the numerator we got cos square A minus 2 sin A cos A plus sin square A by cos square A. Denominator we got sin square A minus 2 sin A cos A plus cos square A by sin square A. Now you see the numerators. See cos square A plus sin square A minus 2 sin A cos A. Cos square A plus sin square A minus 2 sin A cos A. Numerator, first fraction, numerator fraction, this numerator, and here denominator, the numerator. Both are same. So here we will take the reciprocal, and when we simplify, we can directly cancel it, numerator, numerator. See this, I'll write once again, is equal to, numerator I'll write, cos square A minus 2 sin A cos A, 2 sin A cos A plus sin square A plus sin square A divided by cos square A. This is numerator. Now reciprocal when you take, sin square A will be the numerator, will go top, the remaining term I'll write down, sin square A minus 2 sin A cos A plus cos square A. See, this term and this term will cancel, sin square A by cos square A becomes tan square. The same question, 10th question, second part, we will try in one more method. See here, 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A the whole square. I had written separately 1 minus tan A the whole square by 1 minus cot A the whole square. Now again the same way we will expand A minus B the whole square. A square minus 2AB plus B square. Again in the denominator, A minus B the whole square. A square minus 2AB plus B square. Till here we did the same procedure. Now what we will do is 1 plus tan square A. Second identity, that is 6 square A. Minus 2 tan A we will write. The same way 1 plus cot square A is cosec square A. Minus 2 cot A. In the last case, 2 cot A. In the last case, we written 1 as it is, 2 sin A by cos A and tan square A sin square by cos square A. Cot A as cos A by sin A and cot square A as cos square A by sin square A, and we expanded and simplified. Now I am writing 1 plus tan square A sec square A minus 2 tan A as it is. 1 plus cot square A cosec square A and 2 cot A as it is. Now again we have to take the reciprocal of sec square A is 1 by cos square A minus 2 tan A, we should write it as sin A by cos A, divided by cosec square A, we can write it as 1 by sin square A minus 2 cos A by sin A. Now same way we will take LCM. So here equals in the middle. Now cos square A and cos square A is the LCM. So cos square A is the LCM. Here cos square A, here cos square A. So 1 as it is. Here only 1 cos A is there. So 1 cos we will multiply with 2 sin A. So 2 sin A cos A. Divided by, here sin square A is the LCM. 1 as it is. And here 2 sin A cos A we will write, because only 1 sin A is in the denominator. Now the same way we will take the reciprocal, that is 1 minus 2 sin A cos A divided by cos square A into reciprocal sin square A by 1 minus 2 sin A cos A. So here this will cancel, sin square A by cos square A is tan square A. Here itself we can cancel the numerator and numerator, but you don't forget to take the reciprocal, top sin square by cos square. Don't write cos square by sin square. So the answer is tan square. Now we will do the third question. Fifth main, third. Tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. This is the question. So here tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. So we'll start from LHS is equal to tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. LHS we have written. Now tan theta and cot theta we will change it in terms of sine and cos. So tan theta is sine theta by cos theta by 1 minus cot theta is cos theta by sine theta plus again cot theta is cos theta by sine theta by 1 minus sine theta by cos theta. So all the tan, cos, cot change in terms of sine and cos. So as this term separately write, middle you put a plus sign and write the right side term separately. So now you see numerator is a fraction, denominator 1 minus a fraction in both the case. So here numerator we will write as it is sine theta by cos theta for the first term, and denominator we will take LCM. LCM is sine theta is the LCM. Sine theta into 1 sine theta minus cos theta. So this is the first term. Left side plus at the center. Same way cos theta by sine theta we will write as it is. We'll take LCM in the denominator. Cos theta is the LCM. Cos theta into 1 cos theta minus sine theta. See, we have got two terms. Here itself a fraction by another fraction. Again here also fraction by another fraction. Now we will take the reciprocal for both the terms. Now when we take the reciprocal here, sine theta by cos theta into reciprocal is sine theta by sine theta minus cos theta. This is the first term plus same way cos theta by sine theta into cos theta by here cos theta minus sine theta. Now we have here two terms, product of two terms plus again product of two terms. Now we will multiply sine theta into sine theta, sine square theta by cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta. As it is we have written. Here we will write cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta by sine theta we will write. Now here sine theta minus cos theta is there. Here cos theta minus sine theta is there. We have to change both in the same way. That is this cos theta minus sine theta also we have to write as sine theta minus cos theta. For that what we have to do? So here if I wanted to, for an example I will say if I want to write a minus b, say b minus a as a minus b. I wanted to write b minus a in terms of a minus b. I will take one minus sign common, that is minus b plus a I write. I will explain. See here minus into minus, minus into minus. See this is plus b and minus into plus, it is minus. So b minus a can be written as minus of minus b plus a. We already b is positive. Positive means we know product of two negative sign we will get plus. So from these two minus sign, one minus sign I have taken outside, remaining will be minus b, and this minus already taken outside, so it is plus a. When we multiply the sign inside, minus into minus, plus, and minus into plus minus. See now this is nothing but minus b plus a, I can write it as a minus b. So b minus a can be written as a minus b by writing a minus sign outside. Common minus sign we have to take. So here the same way I wanted to change cosec minus sine as sine minus cos. I have to take one minus sign outside and I have to write directly sine theta minus cos theta. Now minus into sine theta minus sine theta minus into minus cos theta plus cos theta. And this minus sign we will multiply with the plus sign. Next step I will write sine square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. This plus and this minus we will multiply. Middle we will put the minus sign and we will write cos square theta by. Now we will write sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Now you see, both the fraction denominator, one common term is there, sin theta minus cos theta. To get this only we have taken the sign outside and change the sign as minus. Now we will take this common factor outside. As it is in the denominator, the common factor is 1 by sin theta minus cos theta. From the first fraction and next fraction, we have taken 1 by sin theta minus cos theta outside as a common factor. The remaining terms are sin square theta by cos theta minus cos square theta by sin theta. This is remaining. Now again we have to take LCM. Sin theta minus cos theta into LCM is sin into cos. Sin theta cos theta. The same way I told, we will do cross multiplication. Sin square theta into sin theta, it is sin cube theta minus cos square theta into cos theta is cos cube theta. Now we have to apply the formula a cube minus b cube. We know that a cube minus b cube equals a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This formula we have to apply in the numerator. So 1 by sin theta minus cos theta we will write as it is. A cube minus b cube. First factor is a minus b. So a minus b we will write sin theta minus cos theta. Next factor a square. So sin square theta plus ab sin theta into cos theta plus b square cos square theta divided by sin theta cos theta as it is. Now 1 by sin theta minus cos theta into product of two terms by a term. Now this is the product, sin minus cos and sin minus cos we will cancel. The remaining terms are sin square theta plus sin theta cos theta plus cos square by sin theta cos theta. So here what is sin square plus cos square theta? It is 1. So 1 plus sin theta cos theta divided by denominator sin theta cos theta. Now we have one denominator, numerator, there are two terms. Now numerator we will separate. That is 1 by sin theta cos theta. Separately we are writing plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. If the denominators are same, we will write once and add the numerator together. So here we are doing the reverse process. Numerator there are two terms, we are separating with the same denominator. Now sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta will cancel, we will get 1. Now 1 by sin theta, 1 by cos theta. What is 1 by sin theta? It is cosec theta. Again cos is in the denominator, that is 1 by cos, it is sec theta. So what we wanted to get in RHS, it is 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. We got the answer 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. This is the answer. All the sums in this exercise are different. You have to practice a lot. Only we are applying the formulas which we learned in smaller classes, a plus b the whole square or a cube minus b cube. But we are just applying sin theta cos theta. So see how to apply all the cosec, sec, tan, cot, all the terms we have to convert in terms of sin and cos. Each question will be different from the other one. Practice. Without practice you won't get these sums. Thank you.